arrive in style with this Buick 2008 Lucerne 4dr Sdn V8 CXS Ltd Avail. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 4-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8-cylinder engine, AC, active suspension system, adjustable steering wheel, air suspension and aluminum wheels. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.